And of course, that seizure was made in St. James. Members of the African Liberation Movement held a peaceful protest against the country's spiraling crime rate. The group wants a national state of emergency. More in this report.
Brownstown, St. Anne, a handful of members of the African Liberation Movement converging to send a message to the authorities. Enough of the bloodletting. And with the murder figures inching closer to the 1,500 mark, convener of the group, Dr. Arthur Green, believes the situation warrants a national state of emergency.
We can no longer be silent. It includes the loss of life of infants, children in their sleep, parents, old, young, right across the whole spectrum, and to realize that despite the zones of special operation, the murders continue, especially in the West, unabated. And I think that we as African people, the majority of the victims of these murders are black people, and we can no longer remain silent while our lives are being snuffed out.
Coupled with poverty and other issues linked to the cause of crime, he's also of the view that many Jamaicans are facing an identity crisis.
No amount of machine guns, new cars, bikes, and electronic equipment will solve this problem of the crime that we have there. It will require a change of curriculum, a change in the educational system, because indeed, in the end, the act of murder is an act that takes place first in the mind, and so it's also a mental issue. So it will need a complex approach. The curriculum, the health ministry, along with security and the regular ministries to deal with this problem.
There are also concerns that the government's crime plans are not working.
Despite almost 1,500 murders, we have not seen the type of national action which would require a state of emergency in order to at least cauterize the bloodletting and to show publicly that they are concerned about the loss of lives, the loss of potential that is lost with deep lives.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.